Everyone, Jason at Canyon Adventure Vans, and I got the killer A team of Canyon Adventure Vans out here doing an install on a Winnebago Revel. This is the brand new GSS-R. That is the garage storage system made for the Revel. This is the one that has the desk, and we're going to show you how to install it. Super simple. Very first thing you're going to do is when you get it shipped, you're going to have these drawers over here already in there. Just take them out. All you do is take this little clip right here and just go like this, and the drawers will come right out. Okay, so you take those out. It just makes things a lot lighter. And then you're going to drop this into place, and then let me climb in here real quick. And then you drop it into place, and then you take these stratchets that we have right here. Gotta slide this one out a little bit. You take these stratchets and we lock this into place, okay? And then we can slide this back over. Actually, it's on the wrong side. I'll have to add it. We got to lift this and go on that side.
Yeah.
All right, so once you get this in place, you want to lift and go over this area right here. Yep. And then you're going to take your stratchet and then clip that just like that. Okay, so this one's done. Okay, I'm going to come back here, do the same thing for this one. I'm going to clip it right onto the O-ring. So I don't know if you can see that, but I clipped it there. Okay, so it's clipped in here. Okay, it's in place. It's pushed back. You want this bar right here pushed up against the plastic mold. You do not want to sit this on top. You just want it pushed up against there. Okay, once it's pushed up against there, we want to slide this whole cabinet so it butts up against the shower wall, just like that. Beautiful, nice and snug. So you just want it butted up. You can have it 1/4 of an inch off. Okay, so once it's in place, your stratchets are here. Now that I'm here and I've already done that, what I want to do is unpeel the microwave and the external power box cord right here. Okay, so those will be taped up here. You're just going to unplug them, plug them in. Okay, make sure they're clear and out of the way of the drawer slide. You don't want them sitting on that, so you want to clear these and make sure they're out of the way. Do one at a time and get that underneath like this. Grab this one, get that out of the way, kind of pull it taut. Okay, and then we'll put the rest of them back here in this corner. So if you have any extra, you just slide that back in there. Do the same thing, go underneath this drawer slide just like that. Microwave's fine. So that's exactly how you would want your electrical done. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we want to cinch this down. We have all this gap in here, so we're going to crank this down, and to be able to get there in the back, you want to open this up. We velcroed each piece right here onto there, so all we have to do is crank it down. Okay, so I'm just going to sit here and crank that down. If you can get it on this side of the drawer slide as well, you could do that, or just leave it wherever it's at. It doesn't really matter. You don't have to. If you want to just take this strap and re-strap it on here, you can do that. Or what I would end up doing is just leaving it like that, or you could just drop it and lay it on the floor. But I think this is the cleaner look. That way for sure it's not going to get caught up in any of your drawer slides. So same thing over here, unvelcro. Now I got this strap here and I can just cinch it down. Okay, that's all I'm doing is grabbing here with 3 fingers, cinching it down and making sure that this is really tight and it's not going to go anywhere. And then when you're done, you can do the same thing, just so this stuff's not laying on the ground, and lock your thing in there. And then you're done with that. So you can lock that into place. And then the next thing you're gonna do is grab the drawers. And I start on the small drawer underneath the microwave. Thank you. So this one right here goes on the microwave side. And you'll have to, because of the little clip here for the latch, so you kind of go in at an angle. If I try to go in this way, it's gonna hit, it won't go. So I wanna go in at an angle. I wanna slide this all the way on until it clicks, just like that. And then I wanna come over and make sure that the drawer is on there, which it is. Test it out a couple times. You're gonna install the bottom drawer, and that'll be the taller of the two. So the bottom's a little bit taller. Again, the same thing. If I try to go in this way, I'm gonna hit that latch. So I wanna kind of go in at an angle. Slide that right on there, nice and even, and then locks into place, just like that. Okay, and then let's go for the top drawer. We get the drawer, same deal. Come in at an angle, set it down on top, slide it in evenly until it locks. Check it, and that's locked. And there it is. That is the GSSR for the Winnebago Revel. You plug in both your power outlet, your microwave, you hook your straps in the back, lock that down, and then you put your 3 drawers back in, and you are completely done and installed. And literally within 10 minutes, you have an installed GSSR. And then also too, when you want to get into your secret stash spot, we put a drawer right here, and you can reach back here and put stuff back there as well. So nice little convenient factor. All right, thank you guys.